The annual sessions of China's National Legislature and Political Advisory Body, or the two sessions, are one of the most significant events in the Chinese political calendar, providing a window to observe the ideas and practices of whole process people's democracy. The essence of the people's democracy is that people get to discuss their own affairs to reach the greatest common ground based on the wishes and needs of the entire society. Foreign officials and experts have shared their views on China's whole process people's democracy.
We can see how whole process democracy takes place in China. These meetings, as we understand it, is the culmination of a profound process of dialogue and debate that occurs at the level of every community, every municipality, every county, prefecture, region, and province. This is how China debates the issues and identifies the best proposals to move forward.
Chinese democracy is a people's democracy. This type of democracy may be helpful for economic growth and transparent political process. Chinese Communist Party, they are thinking for the common people.
We see that China's democracy has been a whole process. So it's not just looking at whether people have a voice, by word of mouth, but what voice do people have in terms of their standards of living? Do people have adequate basic necessities? So I think China has redefined the issue of democracy, that there is justice in ensuring that people have a roof over their heads, that they have good education for all their children, and things that are necessary for a decent life. Just as we saw the eradication of absolute poverty in the country in 2020. So that kind of democracy is what is needed, and we have seen that commitment